Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 in black on black interior. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. I'll let you have a look. So here's the trunk for you. So you could probably fit two medium-sized suitcases or duffel bags in there. And we'll just close that up and have a look from the back. So here it is from the back. We've got the dual exhaust on each side with dual tip. And then we've got the nice ZL1 badging on the right. We've got parking sensors built into the bumper, so it'll beep to let you know that you're close to the object behind you. We've got a backup camera there above the license plate frame. And we'll just swing around this side. So here's your rear wheel, so nice black wheels on this. We've got painted rotors and painted calipers with the ZL1 logo on them. And they are Brembo brakes as well. So we'll just swing over here. Here's your passenger side door. So we've got the nice gloss black insert there. We've got the red baseball stitching down below. We've got our power windows, our power locks, and we have the Boston Acoustics stereo in there as well. Here's your ZL1 kick plate on the passenger side, looks great. And we've got passenger power seats. So we've got power fore, aft, up, down, and recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat for you so you can see the condition. It's got the nice red baseball stitching, the Alcantara inserts, the Recaro style seat there at the top with the ZL1 embroidered in the top. And if I reach back here, there's a latch I can pull which will swing that seat forward so we can have a look in the back. So there's your back seat, so it's got two seats there. There's a tab at the top to fold down the seat as well. So we'll fold that back. And as I get in, just check out the door frame, nice and clean. Let's have a look. So we do have the original books here. We've got the spring blocks, so if it's towed at all, you can place those in. And we've got the original window sticker there as well. Close that up. So have a look at the dash. We've got the nice Alcantara insert here with the red baseball stitching as well. And then our ZL1 logo up the top. And have a look at the rest of the dash while we're over here. Looks great. So we'll just hop out and close this side up. And we'll just scan down this side of the car for you. No dings, no dents, looks good. And the mirror, we've got dimming mirror with heated mirror as well. And you got your Camaro badging there. And here's your front wheel. So it looks great, no curb rash on here, painted rotors and painted calipers. And we've got nice Eagle F1 tires on there as well. We've got 3M installed, so there's the seam for the 3M for the fender. And here we are under the hood. So there's your V8 6.2 liter engine, which is supercharged, brings out to 580 horsepower. So lots of power, and it's paired to an automatic transmission. Looks very clean. We've got the strut tower brace there, and we'll go ahead and close this. Oh, didn't close it hard enough. Try again. Get the key out of the way. And there we are. So there it is from the front. We've got the nice carbon fiber inlay there. And we've got the ZL1 logo on the side. Down below we've got the nice front splitter. We've got fog lights. And we've got HID headlights with LED rings around them. So there's the lighting for you. We've got 3M on the whole front clip of the car here. Some of it's picking up a little bit. We'll see if we can heat that up and fix it for you, but it is just 3M, so it could come off if you like. Here's one little mark right here. And I think that's the only thing to point out there. Perfect, so we'll swing around this side. Here's your front wheel. Looks great, no curb rash. Again, nice Brembo black painted ZL1 calipers. Nice large brakes with the Eagle F1 tire there. And we'll have a look back here. There's the rear wheel, looks great. So here we are at the driver's side. So we've got power mirrors, we've got power locks, we've got power windows, we've got the nice chrome door handle. We've got the red baseball stitching that goes along with the piano glass black door insert there, and the Boston Acoustics stereo. There's your ZL1 kick plate down below, and your power seat, so power fore, aft, up, down, and recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. sharp looking seat. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. Nice growl to it on start. Close that up, and in terms of kilometers, we've got 9,914 kilometers on it. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. We've got our cruise control here. On this side here, we've got telephone controls and source controls for your stereo, volume controls, mute. And I'll just back up a bit. We've got nice red baseball stitching that goes through the leather. We've got the ZL1 logo down below. On this side, there's your headlight control. So automatic headlights, fog lights, and on the stock there, hard to see, but you've got menu, and that's how you would flip through the menu on the screen here, okay? You got your wiper control on that side, and we also have paddle shifters. So there's your plus, and there's your minus. It's a key turn start. There's the remote. It also has auto starter, and then we've got heads-up display controls. So let's see if this is on. There we are, and let you have a look. Just shut off the headlights for a sec. There we go. So there's your heads-up display on the screen. That's great. And here's your radio. So we've got Bluetooth controls. We've got full factory navigation. So if we click nav, there's your nav. If I hit source, you've got AM, FM, XM, and Stitcher. And then down below is your climate controls, and we have heated seats here. One for the driver, one for the passenger. I'll move the shifter out of the way so we can see. There's your gauges down below, and you've got sport or touring and traction control on off. And then there's a 12-volt socket for you as well. Here's your shifter. It's in great shape, as you can see. And let's put it in reverse. There's your backup camera with guidelines as well. Perfect. And we've got two cup holders right here. We've got the nice leather wrapped center armrest with the baseball stitching. And inside we've got a wheel lock key, a USB port down below, and another 12-volt socket. We also have a power sliding sunroof, so we'll go ahead and open that and close it. There it is opening. There it is closing. Perfect. So we'll just hop out with it running and have a look and listen. Great sound to it. Just start at the front. There it is with the headlights and the fog lights on. Looks good, and we'll just scan down this side. Looks great. Nice rumble to it, and it's got the NPP damper there in the back as well. What a nice car. There you have it, folks. 2015 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 in black here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.